Yes, dear students, good morning. Today we will start the numerical question. This question will be asked by board in the examination for 6 marks. Now the question is from the following receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is given of a club and from the given additional information. This is additional information, adjustments. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 16 and the balance sheet as at that date. This 31st March 16 is our current year. Okay. Receipt and payment account is given for March 16. To balance BD, this is a receipt side, this is payment side. To balance BD 35,000, this is the opening balance of cash. To subscription 14-15, 15-16 and 16-17, 3 years given. Total 1,45,000 received during the year March 16. It includes 25,000 for previous year and 20,000 16-17 rupees 20,000 is for next year, means received in advance, and 1 lakh rupees is for current year. Rent, surplus from entertainment and sale of old newspaper, these are the income. Salary, general expenses, electricity charges and newspaper, these are the expenses, revenue nature expenses. And books is our assets, it will shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. And balance CD, this is a closing balance of cash, hence it will also shown on the asset side of balance sheet, 20,000. Now the additional information is the club has 50 members, each paying an annual subscription 2,500. So the total subscription during the year we should receive 1,25,000, 50,000 into 2,500. 1,25,000 रुपये मिलना चाहिए था, but during the year we received only 1 lakh rupees. Means 25,000 rupees are still in arrear of current year. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 15 were to the extent of 30,000. March 15 means previous year, पिछले साल भी 30,000 मिलना बाकी था. Now the receipt and payment account shows that out of the 30,000 of previous year, current year we received 25,000. Means 5,000 of previous year are also remaining. So the total arrears up to 31st March 16 are 30,000. 5,000 पिछले साल का और 25,000 this year का. Second point, on March 16 salaries outstanding amounted to 10,000. These outstanding 10,000 rupees is unpaid of the current year. So this salary will added to the payment side salary 1,40,000. And in 2015-16 included 30,000 for the year 14-15. इस 1,40,000 रुपीज़ में ये 30,000 रुपीज़ पिछले साल के हैं, तो इसको हम डिडक्ट करेंगे. क्योंकि रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट में जो पेमेंट किया है आपको 140, उसमें ये 30,000 पिछले साल का इंक्लूड है. थर्ड पॉइंट, ऑन 1st April 15, सी दिस इज़ अ ओपनिंग डेट of beginning of the year. The club owned building valued 10 lakh, furniture 1 lakh and books 1 lakh. So the total assets is 12 lakh. Okay, now we'll start the solution, but listen properly. Before starting the solution, I would like to tell that he asked us to prepare closing balance sheet as at that date. Which date? 31st March 16. And we all know to prepare the balance sheet we need capital, but in this question capital is not given. So how we'll calculate the capital? By preparing opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet means 1st April 15. In this question we'll prepare first opening balance sheet as at 1st April 15, then income and expenditure for the year ended March 16, and then one more balance sheet on 31st March 16. So first listen carefully, we'll start the numerical. See, dear students, this is a balance sheet as at 31st March 2015. Here, by preparing this balance sheet, we'll get the capital fund. So the opening balances 31st March 15, or you can say the 1st April 15 also. So first, cash in hand, which is given in the receipt and payment account, is rupees 35,000. Then building, books and furniture. Building rupees 10 lakh, furniture 1 lakh and book also 1 lakh. Okay. Then the previous year subscription, outstanding subscription at beginning, this is rupees 30,000. It is given in the additional information 1. Then outstanding salary, point number 2, it is given 30,000 rupees. So by doing balancing figure, we will find the capital fund balancing figure, difference amount. The total of this balance sheet is 12,65,000. Out of this 1265, we'll deduct 30,000 rupees outstanding salary. So 12,35,000 rupees is our opening capital, and the total of balance sheet is 12,65,000. Now we'll prepare the income and expenditure account. Debit side is a expenditure and credit side is income. So first, टू सैलरी, जिसमें भी एडजस्टमेंट हो वो अमाउंट हम अंदर लिखते हैं. सैलरी इज गिवन इन रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट इज 1,40,000. देन वन एडजस्टमेंट आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड, that is 10,000. 150 and deduct outstanding at beginning. पिछले साल की सैलरी कितनी देनी बाकी थी? 30,000. So the actual salary of the current year is 120. Okay. Then two general expenses, no adjustment is given, amount 30,000. Two electricity charges, this amount is 20,000. Then two newspaper, 40,000. Okay. Then income side, by subscription, the subscription will write here 1 lakh only, because the current year amount is directly given, and plus outstanding at the end. How did you calculate? 50 member into 2,500, 50 member and 2,500 rupees. So the total amount is 1,25,000. Out of this we received 1 lakh only, so this remaining 25,000 will add in subscription. So the total subscription during the year is 125,000, right? Then by rent 70,000, by surplus from entertainment is 40,000, and by sale of old newspaper 10,000. Okay. Now once we'll check the adjustments, this adjustment is completed. This 30,000 outstanding subscription we adjusted in the opening balance sheet. Then salary 10,000 we added, this 30,000 salary we deduct. Okay, and this amount is shown on the opening balance sheet. Now we'll get the balancing and get the surplus or deficit. If credit side is excess, it shows the surplus on debit side, and if debit side is excess, it shows deficit on the credit side. See the total of credit side, 125 plus 70,000 plus 40,000 plus 10,000. This amount is 2,40,000. 45,000. Out of this 2,45,000, we'll deduct the amount. This is called to surplus. Transfer to capital fund. ₹35,000 is our surplus. Okay, this is a income and expenditure account. After that, we'll prepare the balance sheet as at 31st March 16. Okay student, now please listen and look carefully. See, opening capital or capital fund we found in the opening balance sheet. So we'll write it there here. Capital fund 12,35,000 plus surplus during the year. The surplus amount is 35,000. So 12,70,000. Then outstanding salary current year 10,000 and subscription received in advance. These amount given in receipt and payment account for the name 2016-17. This is rupees 20,000. Now asset side. Outstanding subscription. How will you calculate this subscription? Up to 31st March 16. So the 5,000 is remaining for previous year and 25,000 of current year. So total 30,000 is outstanding subscription up to 31st March 16. Then building, no additional purchase. So 10 lakh same. Books 1 lakh rupees. Opening books balance and plus 50,000 during the year we purchased. Okay, so the total book is 1,50,000. Then furniture, no change as it is 1 lakh. Now what the item is remaining? Cash balance. This is buy balance CD. Cash in hand. This is rupees 20,000. Sorry, 20,000. Okay. Now 10, 11, 12 and 13 lakh. See here, this is also 1270 plus 20 plus 20. This is also 13 lakh. Our balance sheet tallied. Okay student, hope you understood it carefully. Thank you.